Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is another question that we have to tackle today. Okay, so I'll be very fast with this and then I'll show you how to do this in an objective exam question. Okay, that's okay in the kind of question where you're not expected to show your workings, right? And then you're just to pick from an array of options. Okay, so now you look at the question and read carefully. The area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Find the length of the rectangle if its breadth is 5 centimeters. All right, so when you're solving this in an exam, first you're looking at the things you're given and then what you are to do. What exactly are you to find? What are you looking for? So the main question is find the length. So you're looking for the length of the rectangle, and then you know that the length of a rectangle is area divided by breadth. So then you quickly look for the area. The area is 40 centimeters squared. The breadth is 5 centimeters, and then 40 divided by 5, 8. And just quickly go through your options. And centimeters squared divided by centimeter is centimeters. Remember that. Then you quickly go through your options and pick your answer. All right, and then like I said, you should always check 8 times 5, because you can make mistake. Instead of writing 8, you could maybe mistakenly write 18 or 6 or something. All right, you should check, do your reverse operation and do 8 times 5 to see if you get 40. So within few seconds you're done. All right, so I'm looking at this with the fact that before you write your entrance exam, you should have mastered your multiplication facts, your multiplication table. All right, you might not even need to write anything in this kind of question. All you could do with your mental math, if you're very comfortable with mental math. All right, so you look at the question. The area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Find the length of the rectangle if its breadth is 5 centimeters. So length is area divided by breadth. Okay, so that's 40 centimeters divided by 5 centimeters. 40 centimeters squared divided by 5 centimeters. So that will be 8. 40 divided by 5 is 8, because 5 times 8 is 40. All right, now you could also use your idea of area equals to length times breadth. So here we're looking for the length. We know that this is 5. You know this is 40. So you're looking at, okay, what can I multiply? Remember your open sentences. What can I multiply by 5 to get 40? What times 5 or 5 times what is 40? Oh, that's 5 times 8. So my answer is 8. Oh, so these are easy ways you could do your work if you're tackling an objective question where you have options to choose for and you are not expected to use you're not expected to show your workings. All right. Then in rare situation where you're not really familiar with your multiplication facts, although I would not even advise that, for you to be qualified to sit for an entrance exam, all right, or maybe an 11+ exam or KS2 SAT exam, you should have mastered your multiplication table. There is no two way about it. So if you're watching this and you're preparing for an exam, you're in year 5, year 6, and you don't know your multiplication table, please take your time to learn them. Learn the multiplication tables and master them, because that is a good foundation you need to ace your exam, to perform very well in your exam, and then also a good foundation to build on when we talk about mathematics. All right, so this is it if you are solving the question in an objective exam where you don't need to show your workings. Right, but if you don't know your multiplication table, that may be a little bit tough to start drawing lines, right? Because each of these questions will give you 75 seconds at most, or 60 seconds, at times 45 seconds for each question. All right, so please master a multiplication table. master multiplication table. And if you need to learn more about division, please check our playlist on division. All right, you have simple tricks you can learn that will make it very easy for you. All right, thank you. So find the area. The area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Find the length if its breadth is 5 centimeters. The area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Find the length of the rectangle if its breadth is 5 centimeters. So we divided the area by the breadth, and our answer is 8 centimeters. Thank you. Bye.